guys, it's me Ariel from Passion Community and Techno Topics. Today's video I'm going to show you the two maps of the update that I haven't seen in the first day. So as you can see in the mystery handles, we have New Orleans, one of my favorite updates in 2024. And after that we have another map for the marathon, just like I thought, and it's in Istanbul, which is one of the latest updates of 2024 and September. And just to say that I've actually seen the team takeovers, it's like two teams fighting each other in the game. It's going to be in one day. I'm excited to see what it is. And I actually recorded the live of getting Phantasma's carnival outfit, so stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for the other video, which I'm going to record the team takeover events. So all of that said, enjoy me playing those two maps. And thanks for watching.